In this video, I will show you how to activate RBC Virtual Visa Debit Card. Now, in order to do that, head over first to your actual account, then head over and input right here your user ID or client card number. Input right here as well your password and then click on sign in. So if you're already enrolled to online banking, this should be easy. Now, once you have done that, you can see in here your home page. You can see that I have in here this card. You can head over and click onto the three dots right here, and then you can head over and activate it if you have it. So this card is already activated. As you can see, there's already some transactions. So if it's not activated yet, you can head over and click on the activate now option. So another thing that you can do is you can head over and then call 1-877-769-2515 and then ask them to activate your virtual credit card. This is the official phone number or telephone number of RBC themselves.